O George, paliwanag mo. Bigyan kita ng pagkakataon uli. Error o daya. Pumili ka. Dahil yung explanation mo ngayon sa Philippine Star, sa Philippine Daily Inquirer is factually and technically wrong. Exactly divisible by 12 means that all those votes should have been counted because they are exactly divisible by 12. The maximum number allowable for a voter to vote for senators. At sinabi mo na hindi binilang yan ng mga makina. Ngayon, you mean, i-disenfranchise mo yung 17 million at hindi mo bibilangin ang boto nila when on the surface, ostensibly, valid yung boto nila kasi divisible by 12. Hindi sila lumagpas sa 12. Kung 13 yan, kung divisible by 13, 14, 15, or 12 and a fraction thereof, yes, overvote yan. Pero kung hindi, exactly 12, the presumption is valid yung mga boto na yan. And because valid yan, bibilangin natin. At huwag mong sabihin wala kang pondo dahil may savings kayo 12 million. At 12 billion. Billion yan, hindi million mga kababayan. Ulit yung billion.